Dark wall clouds coming this way, have almost passed this way. The wind has picked up. Everybody's rushed home because they're, oh, the tornado, woo, that's lightning. It's moving pretty fast, woo. I smell something. I'm getting out of here, y'all, bye. It is raining outside. We're supposed to have a tornado, but it is just pouring down rain. Everybody's scared shitless since the Sapulpa driving fast to get home. Nobody's driving. All it is wind. Woo, it's raining, thunder, and lightning right now. The winds have not picked. They did pick up and then gone. So, woo, you hear that, don't you? Big old flashes. It's going east. It's going to Tulsa. I hope it knocks our business out. I hope that motherfucker lands over there and knocks it all the electricity out over there. Ooh, I'm getting back.